Hi everyone. Today, I want to talk to you about time management and productivity and how you can make the most of your day to achieve your goals. Our lives are busy and filled with responsibilities, but with the right techniques and mindset, we can make the most of every day and achieve our goals. Here are some proven techniques to help you manage your time and increase your productivity. 1. Make a daily to-do list. Write down all of your tasks for the day, both personal and professional, and prioritize them based on their importance and urgency. This will help you stay focused and on track. 2. Set SMART goals. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This will give you a clear direction and keep you accountable. 3. Eliminate distractions. Minimize the distractions in your environment, such as turning off notifications on your phone, closing unnecessary tabs on your computer, and creating a quiet workspace. This will help you stay focused and avoid wasting time on things that don't matter. 4. Take breaks. It's essential to take breaks and recharge throughout the day. This can improve your focus, creativity, and overall well-being. Aim to take a 5 to 10 minute break every hour and schedule a longer break for lunch or a mid-afternoon nap. 5. Learn to say no. Don't overload yourself with too many commitments and tasks. Saying no to non-essential activities and tasks will give you more time to focus on what's important. 6. Use time blocking. Dedicate specific blocks of time to different activities, such as work, exercise, and relaxation. This will help you stay organized and make sure you have enough time for everything. 7. Focus on the present moment. Don't waste time worrying about the future or dwelling on the past. Instead, focus on the present moment and make the most of each day. Practice mindfulness and gratitude to stay present and focused. In conclusion, time management and productivity are all about making the most of each day and reaching your goals. By following these techniques, you can improve your focus, eliminate distractions, and achieve more in less time. Remember to be kind to yourself and take care of your mental and physical health. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.